Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are animated gold Instagram templates and this is preview. You can edit them per your perspective, and here these are 6 PSD files. This file is free to download. Just need to visit my website GFX, and these are no password WinRAR files, and here you can edit them. You can write your own text and or main text, and you can also edit the image. From here you can drag and drop image from easily. I know you can do this. And this is not, I'm not gonna crop this. Okay, and here these are other. You can edit them as your perspective. You can hide background, select your own background, simply drag and drop pictures, and so. And here is second. Let's open, for example, this second. Okay, so here it's second sample, and you can edit them from here. Text, you can also edit background and other data tools. You can, these are instructions you can hide, and these are spraying past review. So that's, I hope this data is quite useful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.